Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here I come to you again with an important update, guys, about 3 amazing offers I have been lately making a bit of noise around, okay, because I just love these offers and I want everyone to know about them, especially those interested in affiliate marketing, in setting up a foundation, laying foundation for a solid online business, specifically in affiliate marketing, because these 3 courses with the front ends to them being free are totally awesome. I got them myself with all of the upsells, and there are only 3 of the upsells which are super to the point, practical, helpful, and will make you money if you put your head in the game. Amazing upsells, not some BS, shiny object stuff upsells. So I'm coming to my viewers and anyone who comes across this video, okay, and my channel, to give you a heads up of what's happening, because there is something important changing from today, kind of, but being effective from around 24 hours from now on. So the prices will be increasing of the first 2 upsells. So I will remind you again what courses I am specifically talking about, and I'll give you a quick run through the upsells. And yeah, so just to make you understand again what offer I am talking about, because there are so many offers, right? And offer, this is amazing, that is amazing, just buy it, okay, but they will never make you money. But I'll show you the proofs that this funnel has been making me money and has been growing my email list. Okay, I'll show you the proofs for it, so you see for yourselves, guys, because by no means am I here to mislead anyone or lie to anyone. I really, truly do my best to come from a place of integrity and, come from the heart and just put myself in your position as well, because I would not like to be lied to. And, I just try and give whatever I give out there, I believe it will come back to me sooner or later, okay? So, treat others as you'd want to be treated. I try and do that. I'm not perfect, but, this is my goal in life. Anyhow, it's not about me, for goodness sake. But, guys, let's keep it real. And, okay, let me show you what offers I am talking about. I'll try and make it brief. Right, so this is the vendor, okay, Tim Eichels. His first product was called Lazy Commissions, okay. I came across this product like 6 months ago when I was almost at my wits' ends and ready to give up the affiliate marketing, so to speak, game. It's not a game, but you know what I mean. Because I was sick and tired of BS products and, all this lying and misleading information, just buy, but never make money, right? So, and I started on my YouTube channel, actually, when I was first unaware of what I am doing, I was actually promoting, and yeah, shamefully, I was promoting the products I am now exposing, but, I was as green as the grass, and I put my hand up now. And yeah, I just admit that, that's how I started. But then when I realized what's going on in the affiliate marketing world these days, I just made a kind of like 180. You can see it on my channel, that from about, almost a year ago, I started exposing scams, and I was making no sales because I was like, my goodness, there's really nothing I could promote. A few products, okay, that I would really promote, but most of them I was just exposing. But that's the thing, I was just reviewing products, making no sales, because I didn't have a core offer that I would, resend my traffic to, okay? And I have been really struggling to find one. But then I came across this training course. I gave it a lot of time, went through everything. I was talking to Tim, emailing him, then I joined this group Discord that is one of the upsells, okay? That's why I said these upsells are amazing to, like, for example, Lazy Commissions. But Lazy Commissions is it's his first product. But this is the members area of Lazy Commissions, guys. I'm not gonna show you what's inside. You can watch my reviews on my channel. I have reviewed all of his products, and he has free funnels now. Free offers with the same funnel to each of the front ends. And the front ends are free. I don't know if that makes sense. It might be a little bit confusing, but I'll try and elaborate later on. So this product, this traffic Endgame, is another free offer, free front end offer. And this email marketing secrets and toolkit is also free front end offer with the same funnel. So let me show you. And where was it, guys? Hold on. So the funnel, here are my proofs on Warrior Plus, but the funnel will be the same to each of these 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm trying to make it clear to understand. So let's check out the products, okay, and let's check out the funnel map. So the lazy commission, again, either lazy commission, this one, or traffic endgame, or email marketing secrets and toolkit will have the same funnel, okay. And then upsell number 1 will be this. It will be updated, called Rapid Implementation Kit. Now it's gonna be Ultimate Marketing Vault, which is upsell number 1, okay. So the first upsell, very useful. Now it's called Ultimate Marketing Vault. And here you have a lot of done-for-you stuff and tutorials, and it is being updated all the time, and you will need it if you because it's a lot. With the front end, you can do it yourself, guys, by all means. But this is just going to give you, a leg up, a lot of done-for-you stuff, pages and tutorials on how to do this and that and how to connect everything. It's super useful. And I'll show you the price. It's kind of laughable. It's a steal for now. But the prices will be changing. That's why I am updating you. Okay, so keep watching, guys. So this is the first upsell. Now, the second upsell is Secret Affiliate Insider, which is like a community. So the price of this one will be changing as well. Okay, we'll talk about the prices in a sec, but let me just first show you what this upsell is all about. So this upsell, Secret Affiliate Insider, is access to this amazing community group. Okay, super lively, and here's the information from Tim Eichels about the update. Okay, that's why I'm shooting this this video, just to let you know, guys, take action now if you want to avoid higher prices. Okay, so that's access to this community group. That's upsell number 2. You can find my review on Secret Affiliate Insider as well if you want to know exactly what this group is all about. But it's a support, group, community, with loads of amazing members, and we help each other out. And Tim is just, something else. Amazing vendor, amazing guy, super helpful, super humble. And yeah, I could tell you a lot about him. Okay, I chat with him every day, and well, he's just very smart, very techy. He knows this industry inside out, but at the same time, he's very down to earth, genuine and honest. And he wants to grow this community, and he wants the members to become independent, not to just follow the same path like some of the training courses tell you that you can only do it this way, not another. No, he wants you to really open up your mind and take your business into your own hands. And yeah, very, very cool guy. So that's all I can say. I don't want to because he doesn't like the focus and the attention on himself, and whatever. Very, very respectful, respectable guy. That's all I can say. And super, super techy and knowledgeable. and smart. Anyhow, and you can rely on him, alright? And he's here to stay. Now, and the last upsell is license rights and special license rights, and this is like this one here. Here the license rights, okay. Now I'll show you the prices, the current prices, okay. So, but this one, the license rights will be gone, okay. It will be gone, so forget about this one. All we have is this one, the rapid implementation kit, which is changing into this Ultimate Marketing Vault. It's the same stuff really. The name has changed, and it has been updated with new videos. Okay, so this one. Okay, we have upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 is 27. Is this community I told you about, right? So this is upsell number 2. That's upsell number 1, and these two prices are changing. I will show you how much they will be from, well, in about 24 hours from when I'm shooting this video, they will change. And this last one for 97 special license rights is, guys, this is amazing. I mean, I got all of these upsells, okay? The last one gives you access to, I mean, it makes the, this funnel your own offer, okay? So it's the reseller rights, but not only that, but you're also getting, guys, access to all of your data. And this is like unheard of, unseen, especially on Warrior Plus, because the vendors never really give you access to your client's data, and that's a shame, that's a pity, because you can never grow your list unless you create your own product. But with this, it's not only are you getting, just get it in your heads, guys. I mean, it is so superb. Not only are you getting, you see my commissions 100%, okay? And I've already made sales. This is from like last week, okay? I sold the whole funnel, so I'm already making money, okay? I sold the whole funnel once, and then I also sold like upsell number 1 and 2 to another viewer, I guess, on my channel, okay? So I'm already making money, and it's so straightforward, and I'm already growing my list. I had no, until last week, I had no one in my email list, but look at this now, 20, that's from my get response, 26 leads, okay? Just from, I don't know, I took action on it, seriously, guys, like almost not even a week. So a bunch of leads coming to me just like that, just by me making reviews, okay, daily. It's very, very powerful stuff, and it works, okay? It's not gonna be overnight success, I hope you don't believe in that anyway, but it works, and you will love it. You will love it because it's solid stuff. So, okay, now let me just show you what I mean. So this is the inside of this Discord platform. So it's called Secret Affiliate Insider. It's the second upsell. So Tim, the vendor, has made an announcement. Well, he let us know about that the prices would be going up from the 1st of September a while ago, but it's like a final call, sort of. So let me bring it up, and he says here that everyone, kind reminder, tomorrow on the 1st of September, so as I said, guys, it's the Hawaii Standard Time. So it's like in my time zone, that means it's gonna be in about 24 hours from now on, okay, as I am shooting this video, guys. So do not wait if you are thinking of getting these upsells, okay? Get it now before the prices go up. I mean, even though they go up, it's still gonna be a steal, but now you can get it from much cheaper. You still can get it from much cheaper. Anyhow, so he's saying on the 1st of September, prices of the upgrades go according to the announcements. And yes, he did make the announcements quite a while ago. And he says there was a bit of chaos yesterday, and I will send you an email out today about this. I mean, he's so so direct and super friendly here in this group. I mean, in general, right? But yeah, he's super cool. And the change will be made tomorrow, but he was writing yesterday, I believe. Right after midnight Hawaii Standard Time. to really give everyone a chance to jump on board with the Ultimate Marketing Vault, so it's the upsell number 1, or join the group here with the current, the old, then old pricing, so the group. So the second upsell, guys, Secret Affiliate Insider, and he made this announcement inside the Secret Affiliate Insider, which is run on Discord. Okay, so Rick, which is changing, I told you, explained to you about that, into Rick is like Rapid Implementation Kit upsell number 1 has changed into Ultimate Marketing Vault, essentially the same thing, but the price of Ultimate Marketing Vault in all 3 funnels, so regardless of which product as the front end you came from, so either Lazy Commission, Traffic, Endgame, or this email marketing Secrets and Toolkit, regardless which one you came from as the front end, you know, the price of the upsell number 1 will be changing from $7 to 17. Sorry, I've messed up here. Okay, let me bring it up again to you. Okay, one sec. So the price of this one, the upsell number 1, from $7 to 17, and the Secret Affiliate Insider, so upsell number 2, in all 3 funnels, again, regardless of which front end you came from, will be changing from, this is a big change, guys, okay, so join the community now. So from 27 to 97, a bit of a jump, but still for the value you're getting here, it's still gonna be a steal, $97. But yeah, it will change from 27 to $97 one time, or paying monthly like $15 a month. So it is totally up to you guys. I just want to update you. This is really happening. It's not some like false scarcity. Now, if you want to join, guys, if you still don't know how to join, if you still haven't grabbed one of the like upsells, the front end from me, what you can do on my channel in any of my reviews, let me show you under any of my videos. Let's just click on this one. So on my channel, what you do, you simply go to this description below any of my reviews, into this description box, click on show more, and then you have this like grab free professional, completely free, okay, professional courses completely free. If you click on this link, okay, it's gonna take you to this Google Doc, right? And now here you get access to all of the free courses. So on traffic affiliate marketing is Lazy Commission, traffic generation is Traffic Endgame, email marketing is Email Marketing Secrets, these 3 courses. So the front end, all of them are free, guys, okay? Just click on any of these links here and sign up. Now you have various ways to reach out to me. Comment under this video as well if you have any questions. I'll get back to you once I see them, okay? And as I said, as you join for free, you may want to grab the upsell, especially upsell number 1, okay? This one, the Ultimate Marketing Vault. I explained the name is changing. And the upsell number 2, Secret Affiliate Insider, because they are going up very, very soon, guys. Okay? Right, so yeah, it is what it is. The prices are going up. It is not a fake scarcity, anything like that. About time. I mean, like, this vendor is again here to stay, and he's really working on obviously growing his business, but growing his community and the affiliates around him as well, and doing something amazing. Trust me, you will be very, very happy to join this community. Sorry about the lawnmower and the background, but I'm done anyway. So again, check out those 3 courses if you haven't joined yet, but if you've joined already, consider getting the upsell number 1 and 2, especially the second one, Secret Affiliate Insider, because the price will be changing in about 20-24 hours from now on. Okay? Alright, love you and leave you. This is the update. Yeah, guys, take action and create a side hustle or well, it may turn into your main hassle if you really put your head in the game. Alright, love you and leave you, and yeah, check the links below my review if you haven't joined yet. Bye!